Good afternoon to everyone. My lesson is under divisibility by 3. Okay, when we say divisibility by 3, if the digit is odd, is multiple 3. Sabihin, pag inad po natin ang bawat digit ng number, dapat ang maging sagot ay multiple of 3. So, ang tawag doon ay divisibility by 3. Okay. What is the multiple of 3? Example is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. So, yun po yung divisibility by 3. Example. Okay, 36. 36 is divisibility by 3. Why? If you add 3 plus 6 equals 9. So, 9 is multiple of 3. 36 is divisible by 3. Another example is 855. Okay. 855 is the example of divisibility by 3. So, we're going to add the digit 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 5 equals 18. 18 is multiple of 3. 855 is the example of divisibility by 3. Okay? Sana ay naintindihan po ninyo paano po divisibility by 3. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.